Hello, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is where you are. It is Sabbath Exposure, and today I am at Mission Beach in San Diego. About to hop on some jet skis, have some fun on the water, and just make it do what it do. Just kind of show you guys a little bit of the background scenery going on. Have to go and sign the waivers and get on the water. I got the GoPro, I got the drone, got to get some live footage for you guys today. All right. What's happening, Cuddy?
Hey, bro, I wish I could do the dash right here. Hey, once you out, bro, that shit goes back.
I know. So we out here doing it, moving on the jet skis, riding out past the buoys. You know, you have to ride out past the buoys to hit a certain speed, really till you can do anything. Besides that, you go like 5 miles per hour. So we're just out here doing the move, EJL, on this thing. The regular schmegular deal here in San Diego. Living life, living right. Sabbath Exposure, man. Stay tuned. We got some action for y'all. We out here, man. We doing the moving. We just got out here. I'm really about to go crazy. You feel me? You feel me? Woo! Woo! Let's go! We out here. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Woo! You feel me? Going crazy out here, man. Choppy out here. We don't care. We don't care. You gotta ride the wave. Woo! We're gonna go sideways on him. We're gonna hit sideways on him. We're gonna catch this wave. Let's go! What's up, Seagull? What's up, Seagull? We're gonna bitch off towards the boat. Let's go to the city. Slow down, let y'all get that view. It's downtown San Diego up there. About to go over there, give you guys some view of the Mission Bay area again. So we're over here riding jet ski by the port of San Diego. This is what it looks like. I get a little closer for you guys so you can see. Port of San Diego right here. We got some other docks and ships all around here. That's downtown San Diego. We're going to cross over here and go underneath this little bridge, give you guys some action of that. Plenty of boats out here today. Oh, this water is choppy. It's kind of cold, but we don't care. Whoa! Welcome home. Welcome to Sabbath Exposure. Cool little scenery over here. A little bit of downtown San Diego. Some army ships fled past us. You can see one's right over there. A whole bunch of guns on them. Only thing about boats is that where the boats go, they leave waves. you gotta ride away. Ah. Best thing is to catch one and get sideways. Stay over top of it. Get to the left of me. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful view of the city, man. Look at this. So some real kind of cool footage over here. This is an actual bridge. We're about to go under the bridge. Bridge, freeway, highway, whatever you want to call it. They're going crazy over there. Look at them. Get them. You're going crazy. Woo! Smell like barbecue. Somebody grilling out here. Ever been under a bridge? This is completely crazy. Look at that boat. That's another military boat. It looks like maybe Army and Marine. Right away from here. No parking there. Pelican. Come on, this is ridiculous. Somebody got their water bottle. A Sensia? Oh, come on now. That's what we're doing. Water bottles out here in the ocean. That's terrible. The serenity, the peace. They're rocking back and forth ocean. And that's the God's will. You see that? You see how I just ducked underwater? Just out here, we're doing and moving. You dig? You know, view the city. Out here just cruising. Like and subscribe. Mainly subscribe, you know. It doesn't cost anything to support. It's free and it supports me. And I'll support you in any way you support me. Alright, I gotta stop standing up. It's a boat coming smack dead our way. Alright, y'all. So we had an amazing time out on the water. We had an absolute blast as always. All these boats, man. One of these days, mark my words, remember this vlog, I'm gonna have me a boat. Maybe even a yacht. We're gonna start with a boat first. But yeah, we had an amazing time. If you haven't been on a jet ski, get on the jet ski. Try it out. If you haven't been out on the water, get on the water. Try it out. But yeah, you know. I don't know what to say, but yeah, Sav exposure. Have fun. Had a blast. There you get it, man. We had fun. We had a good time out on the water. Enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. Ready to check into our room, take some showers, get all the salt off of our bodies. We'll catch up with y'all later. Sav exposure. Love, peace, and care.